fast, man, too fast.
Sorry about the smell of shit. I dragged him with him.
Oh God, no. Do it again.
You didn't smell of shit.
I'm going to sleep right next to him.
This is where we're staying. It's quite lovely.
Oh, I knew we'd let 550 again. That's what we want, innit? So I can basically fit in. It's so much like a burial. It does a bit. Well, Sean's already getting absolutely rat-assed.
Sleep by like midnight.
Yeah. But we need to do a midnight walk.
Oh yeah.
In the dark. In the darkness.
Morning it!
Can I use your kettle, please, Wes?
Huh?
Can I use your kettle, please?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this.
That's rocket up, G.
Good luck. Oh, it's so beautiful here. Love it. That everywhere. It's just amazing. I hope I don't trip over. Whoa! So we're gonna go to this sculpture area. Should be nice. You lot are walking so fast. Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you, senor. I hope I don't trip over while recording. Thank you. Oh, I'm loving these mushrooms.
It's very hilly, isn't it?
Here we go. On the road again. So this is where the zipline ends.
Yeah, that must be the last zip line on it.
Quite cool.
Please let us on, please. We just want to get home. This is the only way. No questions. Oh wow, look at that tree.
Beautiful.
I was just thinking of it like that. That is a funky tree though.
It's only got 4 sides. Leave me alone.
On to the next. Are we going to that sand, I'm guessing?
We're officially orienteering, guys. It's official.
Wait, is this a? I think this is a. It's a path.
It looks like a park. We follow the path. I think people have came through here about an hour ago.
Oh wow, you lot.
Wait, yeah, there's fresh spit. There's fresh definitely where we need to go. Yeah. Humans on this way.
You see someone having a pill on the hill. Oh, yes, fresh.
Well, there's fresh deer droppings near the camp, which means there's definitely some deer knocking about.
Oh, is that?
Yeah.
The music area. Look at that. Wow. Bye bye. Okay.
There's a tree with a power cable.
Boxes around here.
Oh,
Yeah, just saw signs saying chicken barrows and they love to.
oh, there's another one there. Go on. Look, I've got it. Let's be cool. That'll do, yeah.
This one you have to spin it a couple of times though.
Where are we going next? We shall see. Oh,
Hello.
hello. This is awesome.
I get scared because it's quite high.
Yeah, I'll
Look
be
at
alright.
to look over the edge. I dare you. Do it.
That looks more viable for walking.
Wow.
Oh my god,
Oh
yeah.
wow.
Go on, off your
wow.
trot. Just sit that one.
Quite high, this.
No, I just hug it like in the military and then slowly work your way up. Ooh. Giant stairs. Is that a cow making that noise?
Yeah.
Otherwise, got cause for concern. What was it? Deer make awful noises, don't they? Like,
Spider situation.
Oh,
I'm sure it's gone now. Oh, it's funny.
What a yelp.
On my head.
Yeah. Even the beanie
Every
can't
tickle
protect
now.
you.
Look at this view. Enjoy it with me. Eh? Guessing this is another sculpture.
Beautiful it is. Beautiful. I'm gonna have a walk.
Oh, another fell.
The man scarring moment.
I might go for a wander in the woods. Yeah,
Okay.
You're gonna have to whack that out if you can.
Yeah.
Start doing some dance around the fire.
freestyle throat singing, bit of banging on.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
I was saying,
Yay.
Someone surely brought an acoustic guitar with them. didn't
Always.
they? But no, we've got one of these.
One step up, mate. We've got a flute and what is it?
So
A
much
drum
money.
that does snare, bongo, and
Oh,
Yeah,
really?
not made.
something else, I think. But
I bought it.
Charm all those adders and
I found this workshop in I think
Look,
Devon somewhere that does
there's a
like
deer as well.
flute
It's
making
pooing near
classes.
us. Get that out. Get him
You
in.
go to go camp for a weekend. They teach you to make
sure
it.
it'll
There's like a
brush
drum
over
class as
and
well, and you have like a
sick.
big like jam session at the end, which I'm gonna go do.
surrounded
at some
by
point.
nature, man. Charlie and woman.
Birds fly around him.
I've got a drum with me as well. I've got
Oh,
a shaman
yes.
drum. We'll have a jam
definitely
later.
doing
When,
Just ominous drumming.
oh,
Okay, that's pretty cool.
How big are these
It's not
people
windy,
at?
is it,
People's
guys?
adders.
Oh, you some. Oh wait, is that the actual artist? I was like, who the fuck? DanFox.net. I was like, maybe the artist.
It looks like it's been burned in. In fact, that shit, that's gonna really annoy me.
Sorry, not now, but I'm like,
These motherfucking taggers.
literally. Look, it's just like, remember someone going, oh, but it helps people. I'm like, if you do it in your black book, don't do it in public.
I think we need to wait for Holly's school.
Oh shit. I lost my cigarette.
Oh no.
Yeah. Oh my god.
You just dropped something else out your pocket though.
Oh, yeah, no, it doesn't look for you.
Amazing. Only just fit in there. What's on the floor? Is it like painted?
Yeah, some kind of pattern. Have a look.
Oh, it says welcome. Welcome, Grizedale. I'm not from Grizedale, I'm from West Yorkshire, bro. How dare you insult my people? I think it's supposed to be Grizedale. To this as well.
We ran out of space.
A couple of copies.
Depot space in there.
No, it's gone green, it's upside down, isn't it?
How many pounds do you reckon are in this? You take it.
Yeah, fucking lift it.
We're rich.
These ones look better. They might.
Imagine handing them into the shop. Sorry, they're a bit worse for wear.
Bit bent up here.
Are you recording,
Oh
mate?
shit.
Maybe.
Or do I like sex out here?
Peace out.
Peace out.
Oh, hey. Love it.
It is lovely.
So this is where we're going for a bit. We're going for a walk.
We're walking.
We're walking and talking.
Talking.
Mm. Is this-
Observing dog owners who are falling to clear up after their dogs.
Serious crime around here.
Oh,
You better watch out.
oh, that's a warning.
Martins are cool.
So cute as well.
I can't see shit. I'm too short.
You're a midget.
Whatever. Look at
I was just thinking straight on like get a good shit
Down
shot.
like,
you. Really?
yeah, great.
I'm there recording the beautiful view.
Exactly how I feel
You
about
lot
shit
talk
in my
about taking a shit.
Yeah, poo is life.
Honestly.
It is. Plus, it's when you're at your most vulnerable.
This one is like
They used to,
What's this?
cake table.
when we were here before, they had a load of
Oh.
cakes on the table. Yeah,
Oh, that's nice.
They got an honesty box at a campsite in Ebden, old chamber camping. Beautiful, it overlooks the entire valley.
Yeah.
Now we enter back to the camp. We made it! That's our camp. I don't know if you can see it a bit over there somewhere. Good thing Charlie was here with us, or else we would have got lost. It's very big, this forest. And I'm out of breath, as you can hear. Oh, look what they're doing. Hey, hey, hey.
key thing.
Yeah.
You'd
Ooh,
spin it
that
and
is
it plays
awesome.
some like creepy music.
Yeah.
How's your afternoon?
Good. I ended up going to.
Get it. Come on.
This is your baby, don't let Ryan tell you otherwise.
Maybe two.
Oh, really, oh, really, oh.
Quite cool.
Come on, have a go. It's fun.
Where's your face then?
Oh, we
There's
got
no
some
wrong
pops
answer.
and shit as well, man. Like,
Yeah, let's get the whole thing going. I was saying that I can't remember the name of the instrument. It's like a maudlin Viking lyre, and it's like 3-string cello, and it's the deepest sound ever. Been wanting to buy one of them just for the sake of being able to turn up people's funerals and just play like really sad music. Half shade my head and just sit there looking like really dangerous at the
It is a lot of fun, isn't it?
graveside.
Wow. Quite relaxed.
It is very relaxing.
I just feel that anyone walking past.
It was good, you know. Enjoyed
Hey, at
it.
least it's not an acoustic guitar and Wonderball, right?
Yeah, true.
Win-win,
Oh,
really.
fuck.
Damn it, I know that song.
Look at this. Ugh.
You ready?
Yeah.
Wow.
Fire because when you set near fire, it always ends up blowing wherever you stand.
So this is the entrance. La 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 la. Sorry. Let's see these lovebirdies here. Hello, lovebirdies. How you doing? Don't be hiding. It's fine.
Made it so shy.
Oh, it's lovely here.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Keep the rocks hot.
Beautiful, beautiful lad.
That's gorgeous, isn't it?
So all we need to do now is really make a square space in the middle for the basket.
Squarespace. Sponsored by
I feel like I'm at a spa or something. It smells delightful, like a face steamer thing.
Oh god, someone will take over. I'm
Yeah,
fucking
yeah.
sweating. Oh, I can smell the food. Perfect. That's definitely cooking already.
Just want to cover all the hessian, right?
Yeah, man. Any gaps where there's steam coming out, we need to cover.
Cool.
We need to lock the steam in so it's like a pressure cooker.
Upload a loads into the group for you as well.
Yeah, that'll be awesome.
I get my phone shit, but it'll be fine.
It looks kind of eerie, like the
Wow.
ground just
It's like
steaming,
we're,
and like in a horror film. Oh, like technician duties.
Way.
I might try to get this first suck off after you do that. You go this way and then those two.
Hold on, let me clear all the edges and then you can probably do it. Why not?
Let's clear the drinks as well.
Do it swiftly.
Wow.
This is what this top tray is
Look
for.
at that.
Did you bring the gloves?
The gloves
Careful,
are just on
man.
the table.
Fucking hell, bro. Use the sack.
Sean, do you want the sacks?
Oh no.
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 Weird chef hands. Right
That's
over
been there for how long?
That'll be good. It's only been through anyway.
Years.
Right.
Been there for years.
Yay!
It
Food
smells
time.
fucking amazing. Check it up.
Food
That's,
time.
it's
Oh, that
the-
smells
We're good, yeah?
Are we ready?
Oh, sensual fucking
that?
basket of
Yes,
joy.
Yeah.
Give me the basket of joy.
Take it up.
Please.
Come on then, let's go.
Yeah, you think it's like, oh, where's my...
The beginning.
Look at that.
I know, right?
As much as I want to be
Look at this. So beautiful.
Great weekend. Great top it off.
I know, right? That is amazing.
Little bags on the side because they usually have like sandbags on that you throw off.
That's how they cast off and it released the wave.
Imagine like being like taking up on this one now for the first time.
Oh god.
Wow. Ah, this is exciting. Bye bye. Wow, this is amazing. Amazing.